In this video, you will learn about the tax deductibility of motor vehicle expenses. Motor vehicle expenses include the cost of repairs and maintenance, electronic road pricing or ERP charges, parking fees, and petrol costs. Section 15 of the Income Tax Act specifically prohibits tax deductions on motor vehicle expenses incurred on private cars such as E, Q, or S-plated cars, regardless if they are directly incurred by the company or paid in the form of reimbursement to the company's personnel. This is so even if these cars are used for business purposes. Selena, director of SE Pastries Private Limited, drives her S-plated car to deliver cakes to her customers. SE Pastries Private Limited reimburses Selena for the petrol costs and parking fees incurred. However, these costs are not tax deductible as they are incurred in respect of a private S-plated car. Meanwhile, BB Bakery Private Limited owns a company van, which is used by its employee to deliver cakes to its customers. BB Bakery also incurs petrol costs and parking fees on the company van. Are these costs tax deductible? Good news, BB Bakery! Motor vehicle expenses incurred on goods and commercial vehicles, such as vans, lorries, and buses, are tax deductible. This includes the cost of repair and maintenance incurred when BB Bakery's van breaks down. The cost to repair the company van is tax deductible. While the van is being repaired, BB Bakery's employee makes a booking for a transportation service via a mobile application to deliver cakes. BB Bakery reimburses its employee for the transportation cost. Meanwhile, Bobby, director of BB Bakery Private Limited, rents a private S-plated car to host an important foreign customer who is visiting Singapore for the first time. BB Bakery also reimburses Bobby for the cost of renting the private S-plated car. Are these expenses tax deductible? Let's take a closer look. Expenses incurred on transportation services are different from expenses incurred to rent a private S-plated car. A transportation service is a payment for service to travel from one place to another. The passenger has no control or possession of the motor car. Payments for transportation services will qualify for tax deduction if they were incurred for business purposes. On the other hand, by renting a private S-plated car, the motor car is at the disposal of the hirer. The rental costs incurred are not tax deductible. Let's recap. Motor vehicle expenses incurred on goods and commercial vehicles are tax deductible. Deductions are not allowed for expenses incurred on private cars, such as E, Q, or S-plated cars. It doesn't matter whether the company rents or owns the cars. Payments made for transportation services are tax deductible if they are incurred for business purposes. You may visit the IRAS website or contact us for more information.